It's a task, it's just fun to pack a basket. Come in.
Hi, Olive.
Hello, boy.
I bring you some candy for the picnic.
Oh, thank you.
And I brought some cigars. Have one, Popeye? Oh, thanks, Pluto. April Fool! Well, what do you know? April Fool! Oh my gosh, a blowout. Oh, no flats in front. April Fool! Why, you big palooka?
Popeye, can't you take a joke? I'll set the table, Bluto, and you chop some firewood.
Okay, Olive. I'll chop some wood for you, Olive. Why, that no-good runt. April Fool! You dirty rat!
Popeye, where's your sense of humor?
Got a match, pal? I lights the fire with me pipe. This gag will burn him up. Why, you April Fool! I'd like to April Fool that guy.
Popeye, would you mind serving the lemonade?
April Fool! Hey, what's going on here? Cut it out! April Fool! Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. Hey, Popeye, come and get it. Hot dog's coming up. Olive, what happened? Huh?
Explosive hot dog. You and your April Fool jokes. I don't think that's funny.
April Fool! love a girl. That Popeye sure is a sucker for an April Fool gag.